What's up, guys? It's Princess Unique. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about an underrated credit union that you may have not heard of called Signature Federal Credit Union. Just pay $5 in order to join, and you can actually get a personal as well as a business account with this credit union, and you don't have to go through the hassle of having somebody in the military. Credit unions are relationship banks, so the more products you have with a credit union, the better chances you have with them as far as them being lenient with the funding. I'm going to actually share my screen with you guys so you can follow along with me, and we can go over all of the products that they have, how to apply, and all of that jazz. So if you are interested in learning more about Signature Federal Credit Union, be sure to stay tuned. The first thing we're going to do is go to where it says our story, so we can just learn a little bit about the credit union in itself. So it looks like they've actually been around since 1970. And if you guys see here where it says membership means the power of ownership, so it says that Signature Federal Credit Union members are owners. Each Signature FCU member has an equal share, voice, and vote in the annual credit election. So I thought that was really nice. And then when it comes to signing up for credit unions, typically they want you to donate to a organization or something like that, or like for instance with Navy Federal, you have to be affiliated with the military. But with Signature FCU, it's very simple. You can just actually start a membership by depositing $5 into a basic savings account, and that would allow you to sign up for membership. So once you apply for membership, you can either apply online or you can do a membership application where you actually fill it out and then print it out and send it in. So it probably just would be best to go ahead and apply online, and then it should take about 5 to 7 business days to receive your approval once you apply. And then it does have more details about the membership here as far as what will be needed for new applicants and things of that nature. So you have, you guys can read further into it because I don't want the video to be too long. So let's just, after we've got done reading, a little bit about their story, we could just go ahead to the products. So I guess we can go to savings account first, since that is what you would need to actually establish in order to become a member. And it has a little more details about that. So it does say that no membership fees or minimal balances to enjoy membership benefits. So that's a really good thing. And then dividends start to occur at an average daily balance of $100. And then it also advises that share accounts are insured by NCUA up to $250,000. So yeah, we have that. And then they have the club accounts, checkings accounts, students checking, youth accounts. So and also the business accounts, retirement, estate, certificates. So they literally have all these different accounts and products available. One thing I did want to go to was the youth accounts. So this pretty much goes into the student checking as well. The student checking account, you just have to be 18 years or older, and it's for anybody that's considered a student, but it's pretty much the same thing as the youth account. It's just for people who are 18 and older. So with the youth account, and the reason why I went here is because I actually have a child that's 7 years old, so I thought this was really, really interesting. So it says start teaching smart money habits early. So with the youth account, it actually allows you to open up a savings or a checkings account for your child between the ages of 0 to 17. And of course, a qualified guardian of 18 years of older would need to be the joint account holder. And it allows you to open up the account for your child. And then what I really liked about it is that it says students can submit their end of year report card for a promotional deposit for A. So every A that your student get, they can get up to $20 per year. So I thought that was really, really good. And I'm pretty sure it'll be something that the kids will look forward to and really make them want to make those A's throughout the school year as well as help them, create money habits and know how to operate with a checking and a savings account. So I thought that was really, really dope. And then there's more details here where you can learn more information about that if that's something you're interested in. So I guess we can just touch on their checkings account. for a little bit. So they have a standard checking, legacy checking. So this is available for members who are 55 years or older. So they, like I said, they pretty much have something for the whole family. They have stuff for the youth, the average adult, you know, preteens, younger adults, older people, you know, just, I feel like this is a really good bank. You know, they have something available for just about everybody. And then they also have the high yield checking account as well, which you can earn the dividend rate of 3.50% annual APY. So that's really good as well. And then it just has more details about that. To qualify for a high yield checking account, you must, and then it gives those details. Also has the ATM rebate checking, debit card points checking. Really like this because I know with credit cards, it's typically only able to earn reward points through debit cards, but this credit union actually allows you to earn points with your debit card spending. So I think that's a really good idea. Still, in my opinion, the credit card probably would be best bet, but the fact that they do have that option, that's really, really nice, because this isn't something typical at, you know, a normal bank. So as you guys can see, it says earn 1 reward point per every $1 spent. You don't really find these things at a typical bank. So and it's just another reason for you to actually have credit unions part of, you know, your lineup. So all of those details there. And then, so after we've got done going through those accounts, I guess we could just go to the credit card. So we can go to the Visa signature card. And with the Visa signature, you see here, our premium rewards card earns 2 points or 2% cash back on everything anywhere, plus 6 points or 6 cashback points on all streaming services. And then it goes more into the details about the perks and the discounts on that. And then over here, you see they have all of these different things available as well. So you guys can just look through those things. And then I also wanted to just briefly touch on their personal lines of credits. Well, personal line of credit, because I know here you can get up to a 50,000 loan on the personal side. And then they also have, so that's the personal loan. And then as far as the line of credit, you can get up to you can get up to $25,000 on a line of credit on the personal side with them as well. And then it just gives you more details about it here. And then it shows you the popular uses for an express line of credit. So it's all, if you have any of these things that you're needing to get funding for, you can go ahead and actually apply. They also have the share and certificate secure loan. So this is similar to the Navy Federal Pledge loan, where you actually take your own funding and put it in the savings account, and then you're basically borrowing against your own money. So you see where it says you can borrow up to 100% of the account balance. So basically, dividends will continue to occur on the money used to secure the loan, and you can borrow up to 100% of the account balance. So basically, you will take your own money, put it into account, and then you will take a loan out on your own money. So that's similar to the Navy Federal Pledge loan. So that's always a good idea, especially for someone who doesn't have really good credit, but they have the money and they're just needing to get a loan, a line of credit, or they're just needing to show on their credit report that they have access to funding. This is a really good option to take when going that route. On the business side, you can get up to $100,000 on the business line of credit, up to $250,000 in credit cards and credit funding as well. And here on the business financing options to grow your business. So it does show they have the business Visa signature that you can get 2 points for every $1 spent, and then it has those details there. And then just some more details about the business side of Signature Federal Credit Union. With the business, just to go back into the data points, so with the business side, you can receive up to $250,000, and then also if you were to get a line of credit on the business side, you can get up to $100,000 on that. And then let's see, what else am I missing? Oh, and then They do pull a hard inquiry whenever you do apply for things, and then the hard inquiry is active for 60 days. So if you wanted to continuously apply for things within that 60-day window, you by all means do so that you have a better chance at receiving more products with just using that one inquiry. So just keep that in mind. And then the good thing about Signature Federal Credit Union that I didn't mention is that you don't have to be anywhere particular. You could be anywhere in the United States and actually be able to be a member of this bank. So, and I know a lot of times with banks, if they may allow you to get a personal account with them, but when it comes to their business accounts, you would have to actually be a resident of where the bank is actually located. Their main office is actually located. But with Signature, you could be anywhere in the United States to be able to have a business account or a personal account with them. So I think that's a really good thing. And again, just to go over those data points before closing out the video, just keep in mind that they do pull from Equifax. So you just want to make sure your Equifax is good. This is a relationship bank. They do have no credit check loans, and then you could just, look more into their information here, because I don't, like I said, I don't want to make the video too long. If you guys want me to touch on anything in particular, just comment down below and I will definitely do so. You can get up to $250,000 on the business side, $100,000 on business line of credit, $50,000 loan on the personal side, $25,000 line of credit on the personal side. And again, the hard inquiry does last for 60 days. So you do have the option of applying for multiple items within that 60 days to just utilize that one hard inquiry on the account. And then just keep in mind that you can be anywhere in the United States to be able to actually bank with Signature. And again, once you apply for the savings account, you should receive their approval within 5 to 7 business days. Is there any other credit unions or banks you would like for me to go over as well? Because I'm definitely going to be pushing out videos about different funding opportunities and banks, and letting you guys know about those hidden gems that we typically don't know about. And especially with it being the holiday season, the banks are a lot more lenient around this time. So normally between October and December, the banks are a lot more lenient with giving you guys credit and things of that nature. Just make sure you're responsible enough to be able to manage these credit limits that you're receiving, and make sure that your credit is up to par before you actually go out and start applying for these things, because you don't want to keep applying for things, looking desperate, getting multiple hard inquiries without actually having open accounts on your credit. So just keep that in mind. I'm definitely going to be dropping some videos about some credit repair as well to help you guys out. And just keep in mind that this is a financial literacy channel now, so I'm pretty much just going to be talking about anything I can think of that may be beneficial to you guys that I learned along my journey, because I am definitely on a journey to success. So I'm definitely going to be sharing my journey with you all, and anything that I come across, I'm going to make sure I share with you guys so that you guys can be aware of these things as well. Just keep in mind, I am not a licensed financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is definitely only for educational purposes only. I am only sharing the information that I've come across and the experiences that I may have had. I'm just bringing it to you guys' attention, giving you some insight about it, because I feel like our community need it. We're not used to hearing a lot of these things, knowing about a lot of these things. So go ahead and close out this video. Again, thanks for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like the video, and also share with any of your friends and family if you feel the need to. But again, thanks for watching. It's Princess Unique, and I'm out.